So I got this building block game. It's like a fidget sensory toy, and we're gonna try it today. So let's take this out of the package. So this is what it looks like out of the package, and it's fixed in that plate. So the thing is that you can do different shapes. So today we're gonna do different shapes. We're gonna have so much fun doing it, right? Yeah, so let's take it out of the package and we're gonna create different shapes with it. You can see that it has different colors. So we're gonna create different shapes with it. So let's create, right here you can join different pictures and stuff. So let's see, what shapes can you create? You see you can do this.
Yeah.
Different, where will this fall? This will fall over there?
This one will go here.
Okay, and then you can put it also on here. So see if you can put it on here.
So it goes right here.
That one goes over there.
Does it?
See if you can fit it in there, like that. Yeah, that fits in perfectly. Okay, and then you can also pop it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let's pop some of this, and we don't pop some of that. We're gonna pop some of it. Let me see you popping it. Can you pop it? Done a good job popping it? Yeah, so some of it is popped and some of it is not popped. You're popping everything? Yeah, okay. So the plates we can create also, let's see, we have all these shapes right here that we can create. So let's see if we can make colors, just the red colors. Can you see the red colors? Where's the red colors?
Oh.
Which ones are the red colors? Point to the red.
These are right here.
Okay, which ones are the blue? Where's the blue?
Right here, these two.
Those two are blue. Which one has 7? 7 dots? Which one has 7 dots? Okay, which one has 3 dots? Let's start with 3 dots. You see the 3 dots?
One.
Okay, let's put the 3 dots in there. Awesome. So you can use this for counting. So once you get the 3 dots, I want you to press the buttons down. Ooh, that's cool.
You need to pop it back over here, then you can make bubble noise.
Exactly. So which one has 4 dots?
4.
4 dots?
4.
This one has 4. Yeah, which other one has 4?
This one.
Okay.
This one.
So let's put the 4 in there. Awesome. Good job. You like it?
Yeah.